కరియర్ తమిళ్ ఫిలిం నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. సో తెలుగు మూవీ చేయడానికి ఎందుకు ఇంత టైం పట్టింది?
You know, I was just talking to Nag sir also. I've known him my whole life, and his sister, his niece Supriya, his niece. I've played with Supriya's toys. You know, like how you outgrow something, you pass it on.
ఇప్పుడు వైల్డ్ డాగ్ ఓకే చేయడానికి రీజన్ ఏంటి? ఐ డోంట్ నో వై పోస్టర్స్లో ఎక్కడ మీరు లేరు. హీరోస్కి పెళ్ళి అవుతేనేమో చేయొచ్చు మూవీస్ అంటారు, హీరోయిన్స్కి పెళ్ళి అయిపోతేనేమో పెళ్ళి అయిన తర్వాత కూడా ఇన్ని సినిమాలు బాగానే చేస్తుంది అంటారు. సో దీన్ని ఎలా తీసుకుంటారు మీరు? సంథింగ్ దట్ మూవ్డ్ యూ రీసెంట్లీ? How often do you Google your name? Your favorite festival?
My favorite festival.
Craziest thing you have done in your childhood, school days?
Cut my eyelashes.
Seriously? And one person you want to work with next? One superpower you wish to have? Okay, and favorite movie of Nagarjuna sir?
This is right after Lara Priyanka and I had won our international titles. This is me at.
Hello Diyaji, how are you?
I'm good. So good to see you.
And nice to see you here. And మా తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీలో చూడడానికి చాలా హ్యాపీగా అనిపిస్తుంది.
నాకు కూడా.
ఓకే, అండ్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ ఫర్ ద వైల్డ్ డాగ్ అండ్ ఫర్ యువర్ మ్యారేజ్ టూ. అండ్ పిక్చర్స్ అయితే చాలా బాగున్నాయి. అండ్ సో ఎలా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నారు?
Simple.
యా, సో హౌ యు ఆర్ ఎంజాయింగ్?
I'm very peaceful. I feel like some choices made at the right time in life are important, and I'm very happy where I am right now, professionally and personally.
ఓకే, అండ్ మాకు తెలిసినంత మటుకు మీరు మోస్ట్ హ్యాపీ పర్సన్ అనిపిస్తుంది. అండ్ ఏది మనసులో పెట్టుకోకుండా ఉన్నది ఉన్నట్టు చెప్పేస్తున్నారు ప్రతిదీ, మూవీస్ గురించి కానివ్వండి, బయట వాటి గురించి కానివ్వండి. సో ఎప్పుడు అనిపించింది మీకు ఇలా నేను మాట్లాడాలి బయటికి వీటి గురించి అని చెప్పి?
I think you know, I believe everybody has the power of voice. Meeku kuda undi.
Yeah,
we all have it. And after I won Miss India and Miss Asia Pacific, and I started working with NGOs, and I realized that helping them could make a difference. I think that was when very early that I realized, oh, my voice counts. It can make a difference. And then of course, subsequently over the years, as you gain experience, you work on the ground, you discover the problems in the country, the world, and you want to see change. The only way you can see change or ask for change is to talk about it and implement change in your own life.
ఓకే, అండ్ మీరు కరియర్ తమిళ్ ఫిలిం నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేశారు
అవునా?
తమిళ్ ఫస్ట్ ఫిలిం అదే కదా, డాన్సర్గా?
అవును, కరెక్ట్.
ఓకే, అక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసి అండ్ మస్తుగా బాలీవుడ్ మూవీస్ చేసేసి ఉన్నారు ఇప్పటి వరకు, చాలా అంటే చాలా. సో తెలుగు మూవీ చేయడానికి ఎందుకు ఇంత టైం పట్టింది?
I have no idea. I really don't know. I think I was just destined to come back home with Wild Dog.
ఓకే,
And you know, I was just talking to Nag sir also. I've known him my whole life, and his sister, his niece Supriya, his niece. I've played with Supriya's toys. You know, like how you outgrow something, you pass it on. So her mother used to pass on all the things that she outgrew to me. Yeah. And so I've had a connection with this family for many years. And I started getting Telugu film offers when I was 16 or 17. But I don't know why I never said yes to anything.
ఎందుకు అంటే ఇన్ని ఇయర్స్ పట్టింది ఓకే చేయటానికి?
No idea.
ఓకే,
Maybe I was just not ready.
ఓకే.
Yeah.
సో ఇప్పుడు వైల్డ్ డాగ్ ఓకే చేయడానికి రీజన్ ఏంటి?
Story, screenplay, character, like the character of Nag sir's wife, Priya Verma, the situation, the relationship they have, the fact that this is a story that's celebrating unsung heroes of India, I feel like at some level this film is going to make a difference, a positive difference.
ఎస్, అండ్ ఫస్ట్ మూవీ అయినా కూడా చాలా మంచి క్యారెక్టర్ వచ్చింది అనిపించింది మాకు ట్రైలర్ చూసిన తర్వాత.
Yeah.
అండ్ ఐ డోంట్ నో వై పోస్టర్స్లో ఎక్కడ మీరు లేరు.
I'm not a part of the team, no.
ఓకే
I'm the force behind him.
ఓకే ఓకే
I'm his strength. So I'm behind
Okay,
the
back
scenes.
power, huh?
Like every family member of people who secure the country are, you know.
Yeah,
you
actually.
you never see them,
యా
but their sacrifices, their choices, their support of their family that can go out and fight for the country is what makes them capable of doing what they do.
యా సో అలాంటి క్యారెక్టర్ ఒకటి మీరు చేస్తున్నారు అనిపించినప్పుడు, సో మీ వరకు వచ్చింది అన్నప్పుడు వాట్ యూ ఫెల్ట్ యాక్చువల్లీ?
I was very excited. Also because it's a very mature part, it's a very evolved part. I felt very flattered that I was offered this role, and I loved the script. I loved my meeting with Ahishore Solomon. And then when I came to shoot in Hyderabad, I loved the way Niranjan Reddy Garu and Anvesh Garu and Pasha and everybody came together to make things happen. It just felt right.
ఓకే, అండ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ మీరు 40 కదా ఇప్పుడు?
No, not yet.
ఓకే, అండ్ ఇప్పుడు ఎంట్రీ ఇచ్చారు టాలీవుడ్కి, సో ఇంకా ముందు ఇచ్చుంటే బాగుండేదేమో అని మీ ఫ్యాన్స్ అందరి ఫీలింగ్ అనమాట.
Really? Well, it's a bit of an advantage because I don't look.
యా యాక్చువల్లీ
So, and also I feel that now cinema is giving women of all ages interesting
Yeah,
parts,
yeah.
and I think that ageism associated with women, where people only want to work with 19-year-olds and 20-year-olds,
Yeah.
that is also changing.
యా
No?
యా యాక్చువల్లీ. అండ్ బేసిక్గా ఐ వాంట్ టు ఆస్క్ యూ దిస్ థింగ్ ఇన్ పర్సనలీ. హీరోస్కి పెళ్ళి అవుతేనేమో చేయొచ్చు మూవీస్ అంటారు, హీరోయిన్స్కి పెళ్ళి అయిపోతేనేమో పెళ్ళి తర్వాత కూడా ఇన్ని సినిమాలు బాగానే చేస్తుంది అంటారు. సో దీన్ని ఎలా తీసుకుంటారు మీరు?
It's the same problem with everything that we view women in the industry, no? The roles are never the same for women and men, and that is changing because women are changing.
ఓకే, అండ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ అ ఫ్యూ ర్యాపిడ్ ఫైర్ క్వశ్చన్స్.
Oh,
ఓకే,
nice.
అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ దియా మిర్జాస్ బ్యూటీ సీక్రెట్?
You think I have a secret?
ఐ థింక్ సో.
You really think so? I don't know. Meditation?
ఓకే, అండ్ సంథింగ్ దట్ మూవ్డ్ యూ రీసెంట్లీ?
So many things.
ఎనీథింగ్
move you.
పర్సనల్లీ ఆర్ ఎనీథింగ్?
Lots of things have moved me deeply, but I think those visuals of the daily wage workers walking back home during the pandemic is something I will not forget for a long time.
Okay, and something you bored of right now?
Bored of? Nothing.
Nothing?
I don't do anything that bores me.
Okay, and your spontaneous adventure?
My spontaneous adventure, well, I just had the most exciting time of my life. I was in Maldives and I got to see a school of over 100 dolphins.
Okay,
It was
and
beautiful.
superpower you wish to have?
Erase or destroy or basically make all the plastic that is clogging our drains, our rivers, our lakes, our oceans, our seas.
Oh my god.
Remove that plastic.
Okay.
Make it disappear.
Okay, and must have in Diya's bag?
Right now, sanitizer.
Okay, and what is your hidden talent?
I cook really well. Is that a hidden talent?
Yeah.
Okay, I
We
cook
don't know
really
actually. Okay, and is there something you cannot
I do very good jhadu pocha also.
Oh, so every woman will do, of course.
No. See, that's a. I hope men would also do these things well.
Yeah, actually अभी तो थोड़ा बदला है,
हाँ.
कर रहे हैं सब लोग लॉकडाउन के वजह से,
हाँ,
है
थोड़ा
ना?
खाना पकाना
हाँ,
सीख लिया
हाँ.
और बर्तन मांज लिए थोड़े से.
Okay, and is there something you cannot do?
Yeah, there are lots of things I can't do. I can't fly a plane.
Okay, what do you use often while talking? ज़्यादा.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. First thing that came into your mind when this role was offered.
Wow.
Okay. And what's your favorite fashion trend?
I don't follow trends. I celebrate stories. You know, stories that are behind the fabric that is woven, the person who's made it, the thought behind it.
Okay. And a message to your fans and your loved ones.
Please go watch Wild Dog on the 2nd of April in cinemas.
Okay. And first thing you did today?
First thing I ate?
First thing you did today?
What did I do today? First thing I did today? I packed my bags to come to Hyderabad.
Okay. And sexiest color in your wardrobe?
Red.
Red. Okay. Diamonds or puppies?
Puppies.
Okay.
Any day.
Okay. And what's Diya Mirza's weirdest habit?
Washing my feet before I sleep. Have to wash my feet before I sleep.
Okay. And childhood addiction?
Chocolate.
Okay. And imitate your any best friend from the industry?
Imitate my best friend from the industry. Let's just say Vijay Varma's line na, that everybody that is trending right now. What was the line that is trending? Come on, help me.
I don't know actually.
No, of course there is that line that is trending right now.
I'm not okay. I'm not okay.
I'm not.
Okay with this. I'm not okay.
I'm not okay with this.
Okay. And how often do you Google your name?
No,
No.
I don't. I have an alert
Okay.
which I don't look at.
Okay. And whom did you texted last?
My husband.
Okay. And your favorite festival?
My favorite festival is Diwali.
And your favorite place in Hyderabad?
My favorite place in Hyderabad. So many favorite places. But I have some very magical memories from the Golconda Fort.
Okay. And
Picnics and school excursions and
कितने बार गए हो आप तक?
बहुत
गोलकोंडा?
बहुत बहुत.
Okay.
मैंने एक फिल्म प्रोड्यूस की थी, उसका भी शूटिंग हम लोगों ने वहाँ पे किया था.
अच्छा. Good. And what's your favorite country?
इंडिया.
Okay. And your cutest name जो घर में बुलाते हैं?
DU.
Okay. And movie that made you cry?
Recently, Gully Boy.
Okay. And something that every woman should have in their wardrobe?
A sari.
Okay. And what is the difference between Diya as model, Diya as actress?
As a model, you're not really experiencing any characters. An actress, you're experiencing a person, an entire being.
Okay. And tell me something about the Wild Dog.
It's a very special film. It's unique. It's got a wonderful message and it's got a lot of heart and it's power packed with action.
Okay. And what you are exciting about 2021?
My first Telugu film is releasing.
Yeah, actually. Okay. And craziest thing you have done in your childhood, school days?
Cut my eyelashes.
Seriously? Oh my god. Okay. And one person you want to work with next?
I'd love to now work with Venki sir.
Okay. And coolest thing you bought for yourself recently?
Recently? No, but I think the best purchase I've ever made for myself in life is my home.
Okay. And which character from your movies do you connect with?
All of them. The reason why I played those parts is because I
Top
connected
3.
with
We
them.
want top 3.
Naina from Love Breakup Zindagi, Simran from Lage Raho Munna Bhai, and I guess my part in Kafir.
Okay. And
Kenaz.
sing a couple of lines from Telugu movie song. Anyone?
Oh,
Do you know actually? No? At least one line?
no,
No.
no.
Okay.
Singing I'm not doing.
Okay. And have you ever praised a movie you hated?
But not like socially. If somebody's invited me for the special screening of a film, you can't like say I didn't like the movie. You just find something to say something nice about it.
Okay. And have you ever walked out from the theater?
No.
Okay, and
I've never disrespected a crew. So even if a film is over, I wait till the end of the end credit roll to leave the theatre.
nice. And do you love dance?
I love dancing.
And what's your favorite step till now?
I love, my god, I've done a lot of songs. There's lots of steps.
One single step, most favorite one.
Das Bahani, I think, would be fun.
Okay, and your favorite sport?
I have lots of favorite sports, but I love to, when I was in school, I used to love playing basketball.
Okay, and favorite movie of Nagarjuna sir?
Shiva.
Shiva. Okay, and how do you think Diya Mirza would be as a mother? So how can you handle it?
I hope I'll be good. I've always wanted to be a mother.
ఓకే అండ్ ఇప్పుడు ఎలా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నారు తనతో మీ హస్బెండ్తో అండ్ పాపతో హౌ యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఆల్ దిస్
We're having a great time.
ఓకే అండ్ వన్ వర్డ్లో చెప్పాలి అంటే అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ కెరియర్ గురించి ఏం చెప్తారు
I'm excited, and I'm hopeful to find a whole new audience and a whole new love from a new audience.
ఓకే అండ్ వాట్స్ యువర్ వర్కౌట్ రొటీన్
I do a lot of yoga and meditation, and I mix it up with functional training.
Okay, and I have a few pictures actually, are loud pictures, and this round is called picture behind the story.
That is me at age 3 or 4. It's the birth. It's my It's the morning of my birthday. I'm
Okay.
playing with some gift that was given to me.
Nice.
This is IFA Awards backstage, no, after party, 2 years ago.
Okay.
This is right after Lara Priyanka and I had won our international titles, and we were gifted the Esteem VX. That is me at age 2 at somebody's birthday, and this couple who's carrying me, it was their child's birthday.
Oh, nice.
People think that we are
I
family,
thought
but we're not.
even I
Yeah.
thought your mother and father.
No. No, that's me at 16 doing homework with a friend. That is me as Naina in Love Breakup Zindagi. This is me at the Jaipur Lit Fest crying. This is from my Mehndi ceremony. That is me at age 6 or 7, I think.
Okay.
That's with Ranbir, where I played Manyata, his wife, in the film Sanju. This is just a lunch at Nikhil Advani's house with my girls.
Okay.
This is backstage of the Global Citizen Festival in Bombay a few years ago. That's me playing a peacock in school.
Nice.
That's a still from Parinita. This is celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi with Shilpa at her home. It's a completely sustainable and eco-friendly Ganpati.
Yeah, I have seen the post actually.
This is just me traveling back to Bombay with Bidu, Jackie Shroff. So
Yeah, that's it. And finally we did it. And thank you so much. And all the very best. వైల్డ్ డాగ్ మంచి హిట్ అవ్వాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాం. అండ్ హోప్ఫుల్లీ మీరు ఇంకా ఎక్కువ తెలుగు సినిమాలు చేయాలి అని కోరుకుంటున్నాం.
thank you.
చూడొచ్చా?
Of course.
అండ్ ఇప్పుడు లైనప్ అయిన ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా?
తెలుగులో
లేదు.
లేవు.
ఓకే, చూడొచ్చు అంటారు.
Yeah, hopefully.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో
Thank
మచ్
you.
అండ్ ఆల్ ద వెరీ బెస్ట్. అండ్ ఏం చెప్పాలి మీ ఫ్యాన్స్ అందరి తరఫు నుంచి, జస్ట్ వి లవ్ యూ యాజ్ ఆల్వేస్.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.